We're looking at number 21 in section 8.4. And we have the integral from negative infinity to infinity of e to the negative x dx, and the x is in absolute values. So we're going to go ahead and figure out how to evaluate this. Of course, we're going to need two limits, but I have the graph of the function over here, and what I want you to notice is that when x is less than 0, it takes on the function of just e to the x, and when x is greater than 0, it looks like e to the negative x. So let's go ahead and evaluate this. So we're going to evaluate the integrals. So we're going to have, this is going to be the same as e, So the integral from, let's do a to 0, and this is going to be the limit as a goes to negative infinity of e to the negative absolute value of x dx, plus the limit as b goes to infinity of 0 to b, e to the negative absolute value of x dx. And like we said on the graph, when x is less than 0, the function acts as e to the x. So we can just treat this as the limit as a goes to negative infinity of a to 0 of e to the x dx. And we can do plus the limit as b goes to infinity from 0 to b of e to the negative x dx. And again, that's just using the graph itself. So we take the antiderivative for the first term, and we get the limit as a goes to negative infinity of e to the x, evaluated from a to 0, plus the limit as b goes to infinity of negative e to the negative x, evaluated from 0 to b. And we begin plugging everything in, and here we get the limit as a goes to negative infinity of e to the 0 minus e to the a, plus the limit as b goes to infinity of negative e to the negative b minus, and there's a plus e to the 0. So here we have e to the 0 is 1, and then we have minus e to the negative infinity is going to be 0, plus e to the negative e to the negative infinity is also going to be 0, plus 1, and so that equals 2. And again, the key to this, I think, is this right here, that when you want to go to evaluate this integral and drop the absolute values, you need to look at the graph or consider what the graph is going to do to find out how to find the integrand.